A train stopped at Shin-Kanuma Station in Kanuma City, Tochigi Prefecture. It was Tobu Railway's limited express train, Spacia X No. 2. Several police officers can be seen in the area. The emergency call came in just before 11 a.m. on August 20th.
特急列車に作業員が巻き込まれてしまった。
Four male workers who were clearing weeds along the railway tracks were struck by Spacia X and later died. At the front of the train, there is a black mark, apparently left by the impact. Following the accident, Tobu Railway held a press conference shortly after 6 p.m.
亡くなった方々に対しましては、謹んで哀悼の意を表すとともに、ご遺族の皆様には心からお悔やみを申し上げます。また、関係の皆様、ご利用のお客様、大変なご迷惑をおかけいたしたことを深くお詫びいたします。
Spacia X is a limited express train connecting Asakusa in Tokyo with Nikko and Kinugawa Onsen in Tochigi Prefecture. The service began in July 2023. With a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour, the train features luxurious seating and is described as a suite on wheels. The train involved in the accident departed Tobu-Nikko Station at 10:20 a.m. and was heading toward Asakusa. It collided with the workers at Shin-Kanuma Station, where the train was scheduled to stop. Let's take another look from above at the train following the accident. The right side of the screen is toward Tokyo, while the left side is toward Nikko. The train had entered about halfway into the platform at Shin-Kanuma Station, with the other half still outside the platform. It appears to have made an emergency stop before fully entering the station. What exactly were the workers doing at the time of the accident?
線路内で作業するためには、列車が来ることをですね、しっかり把握して、列車が来たら安全な場所に退避することが可能な状況を作った上で作業をすることになっております。
According to Tobu Railway, 9 people were carrying out the work, while one man from the main contractor had come to inspect the site. 3 of the group were lookouts responsible for alerting workers to evacuate when a train approached. This shows the positions of the workers and lookouts at the time of the accident. The 4 people who died had gone down from the platform. It is reported that a work supervisor and 1 worker were on the platform, while another worker and a railway lookout were along the tracks toward Nikko. Another relay lookout was stationed at a railroad crossing toward Tokyo. A second would normally be positioned about 300 meters away from the site toward Nikko, but reportedly said that he had been unable to communicate with the railway lookout. The train then approached the station and struck the 4 workers who had gone down from the platform. According to Tobu Railway, when a railway lookout spots an oncoming train, he evacuates the workers to a safe area and waves a flag to signal the driver. Upon noticing the flag, the driver sounds the horn. In this case, the signal was given, meaning the driver had been signaled that the workers had evacuated.
運転手もいろいろ全ては聞けてるわけではないんですけれども、接近了解合図は確認をしているというふうに伺っています。
What kind of flag signal does a lookout actually give? In the past footage filmed by Nippon TV, showing track maintenance in progress, a lookout can be seen beside the working crew, checking the line ahead. Then, as a train approaches, once the workers are safely off track, the lookout raises a green flag. Shortly after, as the train approaches, it sounds its horn and passes through. Despite the presence of lookouts, the accident occurred. What did the sight look like from the driver's perspective? This video, shot by a passenger near the driver's cab in 2023, shows a Spacia X train arriving at Shin-Kanuma Station. The driver appears to have a relatively clear view ahead. Coming out of the curve, the station appears directly ahead. The train slows as it enters the platform and comes to a stop. In the accident, the train is believed to have struck the workers around this spot, just before entering the platform. Following the accident, a representative from the company employing the deceased workers spoke to reporters.
信じられないです。どこをどうしたらそうなるのか想像もつかないです。
About 50 passengers were on board the train. No passengers or crew members were injured.